Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm meteorologist Eric Burris, joined by Zach from the Orlando Science Center. And Zach, we've got some pretty neat little contraptions here.
Yeah, so these are our cardboard automatas. So these are contraptions that we're building in the hive, presented by the Isaacs family throughout the entire month of December. This is our weekend workshop. So if you're here Saturday or Sunday, you're going to learn how to build these. But it's basically just using simple machines of wheels and axles to create motion in our little cardboard dioramas.
All right, so let's kind of look and see how this is working.
Yeah, so you can see the inner working of them. So it's really cool to like see the reverse engineering. But basically, if you place your wheels, or what we're going to call cams, in certain orientations, it'll create an up and down motion, but it'll also create that side to side motion. So this one's a little offset, but it's also able to create that rotation around. This is a different one that creates a little bit of a side by side oscillation kind of vibe here. And so there's a bunch of different orientations to place these, and it all is using those simple machine techniques to create that rotation. So I can go ahead, and this one's a back and forth. No matter which way I spin it, it'll just kind of oscillate back and forth 80 degrees. And of course, you can decorate them to match the theme of the month.
You have to do that.
You have to do that. So we have here our little Triceratops friend, and I can go ahead, and this one's also a back and forth. So it just kind of spins around. It's a little ballerina dancer Triceratops.
So we're learning in the hive how to make machines, but also it kind of lets you know how the world works. Like my first thought was, I'm like, well, that's kind of the inner workings of almost like a car.
Exactly, yeah. That's exactly the way that a piston would move in a car to create that like kind of back and forth oscillation motion. Simple machines are what we use as the basis to build more complex machines, but you have to start simple, and that's what we're doing down in the hive.
I love it. Very good. Thank you so much for your time. And for more information on this, of course, osc.org, or come on down to the Science Center. Thank you for joining us for the Science of It.